What's going on, you guys? It's Jason and I'm back with another video for you guys today. It's just gonna be a quick little tutorial on how I lace up Jordan 11s. Super easy method, looks super clean, especially on 11s. So before the video starts, I just want to let you guys know that these Concords right here I'm actually selling. So if anyone's interested, they're size 11. I'm selling them for like $170. So if anyone's interested, just let me know down in the comments and we'll go talk on my Instagram. I can ship them to you wherever you live. It's not a problem. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right onto the tutorial. Alright, you guys, so for this lacing tutorial, we're going to start off with the shoe laced up how it comes brand new. When you first get a Jordan 11, you know, laced up super tight, not including the top lace. So yeah, let's get started. So just gonna want to start off by just first taking out the factory lacing. And you're just gonna have a whole bunch of extra laces now, super long, and all you're gonna want to do is just pull these to be about to the end of the toe box, probably good. And then now that you have a bunch of extra lace right here, you're gonna move on to the next one and loosen that, then the next one, loosen that, the next one, loosen that. And then you can pull on this bottom one a little bit if you want to. And then it looks a little weird right now, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the walls right here, just gonna pull on it like this, and then that usually evens everything out. You can pull the tongue a little bit, then it gets everything looking nice and even, but now it's loose. So now what you're gonna wanna do is you're going to want to loosely act like you're about to tie your shoes regularly, and then just tie a bunny knot. Just don't tie it tight, just tie it loosely, and then just kind of let it sit right there. And that's basically it. It's super simple, super easy lacing, but it looks super good on feet, especially if you cover this top part with your jeans a little bit. Looks super clean. So without further ado, let's get to the on foot.
Huff 47.
Okay, bye.